If you've ever felt your car hits a wall at a certain speed, even though the engine still has power, you're probably dealing with a speed limiter. In this video, I'll show you what speed limiter removal really is, why manufacturers add speed limiters, the correct software solution, and how we provide this service with a safe and clean result. Let's start. What is a speed limiter? A speed limiter is a software function inside the ECU that restricts the vehicle's maximum speed. So instead of the engine reaching its true top speed capability, the ECU enforces a predefined cap, often called Vmax. This is extremely common in passenger cars, commercial vans and trucks, fleet vehicles, and even some performance models depending on the market. Why do cars have speed limiters? Manufacturers don't add speed limiters just to annoy drivers. They do it for these reasons. 1. Safety and regulations. 2. Emissions and compliance. 3. Vehicle and drivetrain protection. What is speed limiter removal? Speed limiter removal means disabling or raising the ECU's factory speed restriction. This is typically done for performance tuning projects, motorsport or track-only use, private environments where the limiter is unnecessary, or special cases like market conversions, for example, some JDM vehicles with strict limits. How does the ECU limit speed? Different ECUs do it in different ways, but the common ways are a direct Vmax limiter map, a torque versus vehicle speed limiter above a threshold, throttle or load reduction once speed exceeds the cap, sometimes gear-dependent or transmission-dependent logic. That's why proper removal is not just one click on every car. The ECU brand matters. How speed limiter removal is done. Step 1. Read the ECU file. First, we read the ECU calibration using professional tools, for example, AlienTech KES 3, AutoTuner, and other solutions depending on the vehicle. Step 2. Apply changes. We apply the limiter safely using professional software like WinOLS and HP tuners, and we ensure the file is technically correct, including checksum integrity, so the ECU operates normally. Step 3. Write the modified file back. Finally, we flash the corrected file back to the ECU. Result: no factory speed cap, no warnings, no limp mode, smooth operation. Benefits: removes the artificial top speed restriction, allows full performance potential, especially after stage tuning. Clean software solution, no hardware hacks. Important notes: legal status depends on your country and intended use. Always consider tires, brakes, suspension, and drivetrain limits. On some vehicles, the transmission may have its own limiter strategy, so we verify full system behavior before final delivery. If you want speed limiter solution, visit our website now. 1. Choose your vehicle. 2. Fill the required blanks. 3. Upload your read ECU file. 4. We identify and disable the correct limiter logic for your ECU type, Bosch or Denso, and more. 5. You receive a ready-to-flash modified file, tested for clean behavior, no unnecessary DTCs, no side effects, fast, professional, guaranteed. The link is in the description and pinned in the comment.